See the second case. See, since I have two voltages in this device, to analyze the behavior of the device, I cannot vary both. So I have to keep one voltage fixed. I have to vary the other voltage. Then I have to keep the other voltage fixed. I have to vary the first voltage. So that is how I am going to calculate the characteristics of JFET. Now see, for our second case, I am assuming VDS equal to 0. So I am not connecting any voltage between drain and source. And I am connecting VGS between gate and source. Maybe for the voltage, you see, this is how the connection will be given. You are able to see here. See, drain is given to positive, source is given to negative. And VGS is usually, see, VDS is positive and VGS is usually negative. So gate will be always given negative terminal of battery. Source will be given positive terminal of battery. So source பாருங்க ஒரு கேஸ்ல it is having positive, ஒரு கேஸ்ல it is having negative. See, remember the gate voltage is always negative for a JFET. The reason we'll understand why. So the connection is here. This is the connection what we are going to talk about. Okay. See here, when VDS equal to 0 and VGS is decreased from 0, which means the VGS value is made negative. So what happens when you give negative voltage here? For P type, I am giving negative. So this P type also I am giving negative. For N type, I am giving positive. So what bias is this? How is the PN junction bias now?
Reverse.
P
Reverse.
type is negative and N type is positive. So what is the biasing here?
Reverse bias.
Reverse bias. So see, P type will have holes, and if I give negative, all the holes will run away towards the negative power supply. N type will have electrons. If I give positive supply, electrons will run away towards the positive supply, leading to what will reverse bias lead to the what is the condition of a depletion region when you reverse bias a diode? The width will increase or decrease.
Increase.
The depletion layer width will be increasing. So in forward bias, we have seen as you increase the bias, the depletion region width will become thinner and thinner. At one point, the depletion region just looks like a straight line. When you apply reverse bias to a PN junction, the depletion region width will be increased. Condition is VDS, I am not disturbing drain and source. Just when I slowly make this gate terminal negative and this source terminal positive, the depletion region width will be slowly becoming thicker and thicker because the pair of PN junctions are going to be reverse biased. Okay, what happens if I still increase the reverse bias voltage? That is the next case. See here, so as the reverse bias voltage is increased, the thickness will also increase. I am still increasing, so the depletion region will become like this thick. It will become thick. I am still increasing. It will again become thick. I am still increasing. It will again become thick. At one point, the two depletion regions will touch each other. Okay, the depletion region of the upper PN junction and the depletion region of the lower PN junction will touch each other. This will happen when I'm going to increase the value of VGS. VGS, remember, VGS is negative. So I'm decreasing it from 0. So I'll give -1, -2, -3, -4. So when I volt, for example, both the depletion regions are going to be touching each other. This condition is said to be cut off. So only when the path is free, electrons can flow, correct? When the path is going to have a huge obstruction in the form of depletion region, both the depletion regions are touching like this. Path for the electrons to move inside the channel? No, right? So there is no path for the electrons to move inside the channel. So the JFET, the channel is said to be cut off. Cut off means at this point, the channel will not be able to conduct any current. So that value of V is called as cutoff voltage VC. Okay. See, this operation of JFET will be completely different from the operation of BJT. BJT la மூணு terminal இருக்கு, இங்கேயும் மூணு terminal இருக்கு, but everything is dependent on voltage here. But there, everything was dependent on current, right? So any doubt in the first we have seen, say very first condition, both the voltage are 0. So we have just said that depletion region is formed. Now what I am doing, I am not disturbing VDS. I am not disturbing VDS. I am just making the gate more and more negative compared to the source, which means I am giving negative polarity of battery to gate and positive polarity of battery to source. See, in the gate, ரெண்டுமே ஷார்ட் சர்க்யூட் ஆனதுனால I need not give separate negative polarity on both sides. I will just give only one negative polarity to the upper portion. Since it is short circuit, automatically this negative polarity will appear here also. And source, I will give the positive polarity. Okay, so as I decrease the value of the gate potential, the depletion region which will increase and increase and increase at one point. Both the depletion regions will touch each other. At that point, the channel is said to be cut off. Cut off means the current is going to be zero. There will be no current flow inside the device. Cut off means the device is not functioning or the output from the device is going to be zero. So, the VGS value cut off nadakudo, that VGS value is called as cut off voltage denoted by VC. Any doubt for anybody? I'm going to pause for a few your doubts. Please feel free to ask any basic doubts, even if you have. Don't fear that your friends will criticize you. No, you are asking it for your benefit, right? And this JFET will be interesting because we are varying the voltage and understanding the device behavior. So it will be a little bit more interesting than BJT. See, so far what I have done, I have not given the voltage VDS. I am just playing with the voltage VGS. And remember, gate voltage always it will be negative. The reason is I want the depletion region to I want the device to be cut off. So sometimes when you want the device to be off, what you do, you give negative supply to gate, slowly increase the negative voltage, the device will be cut off or it will be in off condition. So அதுக்காக I need a negative voltage at gate. Okay. Things are clear to everybody. First case is simple. Both the voltage zero, only depletion region is formed. Or I am going to make my gate more and more negative. In that case, the depletion regions will meet, causing to what the condition is called as cutoff condition.